Hey, welcome to 5-Minute English. Today we're going to learn how to talk about Superman. We will learn some new words, practice describing him, and focus on grammar with verbs and adjectives. Superman is a superhero from comic books, movies, and TV shows. He was born on the planet Krypton, but he came to Earth as a baby. His Earth name is Clark Kent, and he works as a reporter. Superman is famous all over the world. He is one of the most popular heroes in history. Superman has many amazing powers. He has super strength, which means he is very, very strong. He has X-ray vision, so he can see through walls. He can fly high in the sky. He also has super hearing, so he can hear sounds from very far away. And he has heat vision, which lets him shoot beams of heat from his eyes. Let's practice with some verbs that describe Superman's actions. Superman flies very fast. He saves people from danger. He fights bad guys. He helps the police. He protects the world. Here are some more sentences about Superman. Superman lives in the city of Metropolis. He works at the Daily Planet newspaper. Superman is weak when he is near kryptonite. Many people around the world admire him. Now let's look at some adjectives to describe Superman. Superman is brave. He is strong. He is also kind. Sometimes he is serious. Many people see him as heroic. Great work! Today you learned how to talk about Superman. We learned some verbs like flies, saves, and protects. We also learned some adjectives like brave, kind, and heroic. Now you can describe Superman in English. Thank you for watching 5-Minute English. I'm planning to make more videos about superheroes. So let me know in the comments who is your favorite superhero.